Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about what is MCP servers. Okay, so this is very quite trending topic what is MCP, how to connect with the MCP, how to make your work so faster. Okay, so let's understand what is MCP. So MCP stands for the Model Context Protocol. Think of it like a universal connector that lets AI assistants like Claude talk to your apps, files, and the tools. Simple analogy we can say, imagine Claude is a super smart assistant, but they are sitting in a locked room. MCP is like a Claude, a phone line to call your Google Drive, your database, your email, whatever you want them to access. Without MCP, Claude can only think and talk. With MCP, Claude can actually do the things. Okay, so when you give it the MCP tools, so it will try to access your Google Drive. When you give the access, your database, your email, you're writing the files, everything. Okay, the problem the MCP solves. Before MCP, you Claude, what is my Google Drive folder? Claude, sorry, I can't see your files. You will check yourself. After MCP, Claude, what's is in my Google Drive folder? Claude, I found three documents. This is that one. What this means, Claude can read your files, Claude can search your documents, Claude can read your code, Claude can read your files and fix the code also. Okay, Claude can query your database. Claude becomes a true assistant, not just a chatbot. How does it works? So MCP flow, you ask Claude, MCP server will interact and it will complete your task. Okay, so you ask Claude something, find my sales report from the last month. Claude realizes it needs to access your files. It calls the MCP server, hey, search the sales report in this person's drive. MCP server connects to the Google Drive. It searches your actual drive folder using your credentials. It results come back to the Claude that this is the file report. It gave it to you and found your December sales report. Would you like me to summarize it? So this is the process of the MCP. Real world examples like file management, show me all the PDFs from the last week, connect to my file system, and it will give you that one. Task management, create a task in Asana to review the budget, connect to the Asana API, done. Another one, database queries, how many customers signed up this month, query your database, so it will give you that result. Email, any urgent emails today, check your Gmail. Okay, two urgent emails from your boss about the meeting. So the key concept is MCP server, a small program that runs on your computer or a cloud. It knows how to talk to your specific apps like Google Drive, Slack, databases. Okay, protocol just means a standard way of communicating, like how everyone agrees to the speaking English in a meeting. MCP is agreed the language between the Claude and your apps. Context means the information Claude needs to help you, your files, emails, data. That's all context. MCP gives Claude access to your context. Tools, their specific actions MCP can do, like search the files, create tasks, send email, etc. Each MCP server provides different tools. So why MCP is powerful? The magic of MCP: universal, one standard work with any app. Secure, your passwords stay on your computer. Private, Cloud does not see your credentials. Flexible, connecting to anything, files, API, database. Local or cloud, works on your laptop or in the cloud. Open, anyone can build the MCP servers for the new apps. So this is the challenge, that how we are going to make your MCP servers. So we have to learn, or I will create a video on that, like how you can build a MCP server. It's to be a Shopify, maybe it's Angular, it's a React, Next, Nest, anything it could be. Where we have to just write the prompt, it connect to our MCP server, do the task. So this is what the process is. Okay. So to use the MCP, you need an MCP compatible AI like Claude. Okay. MCP server, download one of your needs like Google Drive, Slack, databases, connect them and start using it. Okay. Bottom line, MCP equal to AI plus your apps working together. So these are the quick references. So I hope you understand a little bit like how MCP works. If you like the video, please hit like, share, comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.